guys, welcome to Auto Syndicate. We are here at Aruani Grid. It's in Sajapur Road and today is Cars and Coffee meetup. I'm here. Check out the cars behind. There's some insane cars that have come. Stay tuned. I'll show you all the cars. I'll show you all the rides. I'll show you all the modifications the car boys have done on their vehicles. The cars are still lining up, guys. This is just a few cars. Guys, let me show you the lineup in Cars and Coffee. It's almost 8:15. I think this is it. Only these cars are going to be here today. Check it out. My friend Munira's car. Look at it. It's an attendant. Put it on, Jitin. Jitin trying out the air suspension back. That's it. How is it, Jitin? We are exiting the car meet now. Good job, Cars and Coffee Bengaluru. It was well organized this time. Guys, I think we'll be exiting the meet in another 5 minutes. I hope you like the video. If you like, do share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.